just such a compact, nimble car, and so there's not really much you need to do. I think it's the perfect GT cruiser to take up the coast or go into the canyons as it comes. The GR Supra is a sports car from the beginning. It was built to do this stuff. It was built to be fast around the track. It has a really low center of gravity. I think the combination of a short wheelbase, a quite lightweight motor, and the ability to basically tune the car however we want is the winning recipe. I think the aftermarket is doing a good job already making parts that people ask for. However, there are certain things, being the nerdy drift guy that I am, that I would like to see. You know, we work with Wisefab, who makes, you know, the best angle kits in the business. Maybe there's scope for them to make something that's more streetable, something that has a little shorter, quicker steering ratio, so that the car gets easier to park, you know what I mean? And I think that's it. I mean, I'm a manual kind of guy. I'd love to have a manual GR Supra. Who knows, maybe that'll come. But a manual Supra with slightly more steering angle, sign me up any day.